digital enterprise is undergoing a phenomenal amount of change as they adopt technologies, devices and platforms, the cloud, the analytics, and it's all about putting all these things together to deliver better experience and business results.
With the proliferation of mobile devices, with new connected cars and connected homes, the number of places for the experience is going to explode exponentially and therefore create significant testing and quality challenges.
As we see the industrial Internet of Things evolving, the quality teams have to think of testing ecosystems and not test environments. And these ecosystems will span multiple technologies, they will span multiple businesses, and they will have to be ready on demand.
Software intelligence will help testing organizations manage growing volume, velocity, and complexity, and ensure that they maximize the business value of their internal and external data.
There are tools which can take in 1,000 test scripts and automate them, but there are very few which actually take the 1,000, learn from them, and say add another 10 or reduce the 1,000 to 80.
We really see the opportunity to embed software intelligence, machine learning techniques and cognitive computing into both the business process itself, but also into the testing methodology so that we can really perform more expansive, automated, intelligent testing.
Today's business world is increasingly high velocity, and we're faced with the challenges of applications that can't keep up with the pace of business.
Speed to market is a big thing, right? The release cycles are changing from a matter of 12 weeks to a matter of, days in some cases. There's definitely been a heightened awareness and testing around how to adapt to that culture paradigm shift and how we can react more rapidly, focus the attention on our constituents and our consumers, trying to operate in an agile world, and how does testing react to that to be more agile is something that's got a lot of the companies thinking about how to re-engineer their organization and testing overall.
The roadmaps that we're discussing with these organizations are to get away from 3 big releases a year and move into more of an agile methodology for getting their functionality out into their customers.
The ability to continuously deliver software will be the difference between companies that lead and companies that are left behind. Today's business economy is increasingly moving from me to we, and companies need to open new dimensions of connectivity to continue to grow. Testing organizations, as well as businesses in general, need to rewire themselves as borderless businesses.
What we see is enterprises really creating these multi-party platforms, both from themselves and with their partners. And the testing challenge, of course, is around performance, it's around security, it's around accessibility to make sure that all the parts come together in a coherent whole. And it requires that a business process be tested across channels and across experiences so that it's consistent, it's high quality, and it's effective.